Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a little try on haul featuring Halara. Alright, so we've got some good stuff, so big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys some new pieces that I grabbed for more like end of fall, beginning of winter, if you will. These are more of my like clothing pieces. The last haul that I did with them, I'll throw up in the cards, was more of like athleisure. So if you're curious to check that out, I will throw that up in the cards. But they did provide me with a coupon code, which is Kelly's Life. So that changed, Kelly's Life, and that will get you 20% off of full price items. My favorite place to shop them is on their app. So easy, so convenient, but let's dive in. My favorite thing to shop for fall and winter from them is their trousers. So good. Okay, if you are an office girl but you also want to be comfortable, these are it. And I found a new style, new to me, that I'm head over heels with and need more. So these are the first pair that I want to talk about. I love these so much. So they do just have like the fake front seam, which is fine for me. Like I don't really care. I'll show you a pair that do have like the actual belt loops and all that. But they have the front seam that's just kind of a basic band. I love these zipper pockets. These are just so insanely flattering. I'm not even gonna lie. They are literally like flare leggings, and they just hug all the right spots. I got them in navy. Navy is like my go-to for any trouser when I'm trying something new, and then I kind of branch out in different colors. Kind of sometimes both of the trousers I got are navy. Okay, navy trousers are my weakness. But yeah, I love everything about these. Again, I like that they are different and they have the pockets a little more like sleek, if you will, than ones with like pleats or anything like that, which I will show you in a second. But I love these. They have just fake back pockets, but both pockets on sides are zippers. They go down in kind of a flare, a little bit of a wider flare, but they are super nice and fitted on the upper thigh and the booty. So good, so cute, obsessed. Okay. Next up, we have the other ones, which I'm pretty sure I have these in taupey brown. They're taupey brown color. I could be wrong, but these have actual functioning belt loops, which are really cute because you can kind of add a belt to it, obviously, make them look more professional, more not like comfy athleisure. These do also have the pleat in the front and traditional pockets with no zipper. It's a pretty shallow pocket, but that's fine. It doesn't gape, which I like. They have back pockets, but they are just faux. And these come out into like more of a wider straight leg, not really a flare, but it's kind of more of a wider leg throughout the whole body of the leg, which I really enjoy. So these are great to throw on with like a cream sweater or something like that. And like I said, a belt and you're good to go. A little flat, cute. Super, super cute, and honestly super, super comfortable, which is like my whole thing with Halara. It's not just like athleisure and all of that. They have dresses, they have bathing suits, they have everything you could want. It's just all really comfy, stretchy, cozy. Okay, let's finish off with pants. I have two more pants, pants, I was gonna say. I have two of their corduroys that are just like their regular, kind of like a cropped fit, loose fitting pair. I have it in navy and in brown, but when I saw that they released barrels, it was like so cute. One thing I will say is I would size up. I think I got everything in a small. I'll have all the details in the description box down below. I'm between a small and a medium, but recently I've been sticking with the small. But these, I wish they were a little baggier and a little bit longer just because that's how I prefer my barrels, but still cute nonetheless. I imagine these with like a big chunky sock and Birkenstock clogs, but they're corduroys are just always so cute, and this brown never misses. So it's slightly more tapered at the ankle. It's got the stretchy little band at the top, and these are just really soft and comfy. I just wish, again, they were just a tiny bit bigger. So if you're thinking about grabbing them and you want more of a looser lived-in fit, try a size up. I think you will enjoy it. But overall, I still love these. I think they're super comfortable. They have both pockets on the side, and they have a functional back pocket as well. This would also look insanely cute with this denim top. Yes. All right, next up are their denims. So I'm typically a real denim type of girl through and through. Now, everything has its place, okay? Stretchy denim, it's fine, okay? I'm okay with it. But what I don't want is, I don't want a thick denim stretchy. I want either a thick, real 100% cotton denim or a stretchy jean. I want them to not commingle, okay? And I do really like these low-rise style. I have these in a light wash that I wear during like spring, summer, but I saw them in the dark wash and I thought they were really cute. They're like the crossed waist. These fit right on the hips. So I did think I went up a size in this just because right on the hips, very cute. I feel like can really elongate you in a different way than like your legs. It can elongate your torso, which I think is really cute as well. More of that drop waist sort of look, but super cute, really stretchy, and have this like dark wash to them. Very stretchy. Okay, that's it for pants. Pants. Okay, let's move on to tops, shall we? The first one being this little green sweater, which, hold on, I have it inside out. I love this. I have something similar to this in black that I like to wear over the top of my like leggings for like if I'm going to do run errands after working out. It's nice to have like kind of a sweater to throw on. And now that it's actually getting chilly, I grabbed this. It's kind of like an not off the shoulder, a boat neck, straight across cut at the top. It's this ribbed material, which I love in this green. And it's kind of got a slimmer sleeve, almost like a bat wing, sort of cropped, boxy style, but I think this is so cute. This is obviously something you could wear with black jeans would be really cute, anything like that, trousers, whatever, but I also really love wearing this over the top of athleisure because I feel like it just elevates a look. Imagine this with the rest, with like a full green outfit or black with this, brown with this, so cute. Just an easy way to elevate any sort of like I said, athleisure look. Next up is like a fun top that I was like, I kind of want to try this. I do wish I had a more of a built-in bra, but I can see why that wouldn't work. But it is double lined in the chest area, so I feel like you could get away with just wearing like cakes or something like that. It's a halter style cowl neck, which cowl necks are so pretty. When I was wearing this top though, I was very aware that my shoulders are kind of rounded, so I need to work on that. But so freaking cute. Again, I get everything in navy because it's just like one of my favorite colors. I just feel like it's softer than black, so it could be daytime, it could be nighttime, but it's just cute. Low back, a little stretchy, but again, the whole thing is just stretchy and cute, and it's got some ruching off to the side, which is adorable. Imagine this, black jeans tucked in, black boots, a statement belt, so stinking cute. Okay, and then next up, I loved this top so much I got it in 2 colors. It is this off the shoulder ribbed long sleeve, but it's got a built-in shelf bra in it. So it's like basically a sports bra mixed in, which is great because I can't wear nothing, but I can't wear a bra with things like this. I hate strapless bras too, so this is kind of nice that it has those built in. It's got a really good length too. It's not cropped, which I'm excited. I could wear it with those low-rise jeans, trousers, anything like that, and it's super cute. So I grabbed it in the black, again, insanely stretchy. And then dun dun dun, are we surprised? I grabbed it in the white. One thing I will say is the white's a little more sheer. The cup pads are removable, so I'm contemplating removing them, but you can kind of see the like outline when it's on your chest, like very subtly, not a ton, but it's there. But it provides extra, you know. Ooh, it just like got dark outside and my lighting changed. Hopefully I can fix that, magic of editing. But anyway, ribbed, super cute, very very flattering in my opinion, and I really liked the white. So that was it, you guys. Not a ton, just a little cute things to add into my wardrobe for the fall. If you've not checked out Halara, or you just think of them as like athleisure dresses, leggings, things like that, check out their regular clothes too, because they make those just insanely comfortable as well. Like, I don't know what they do, how they do it, but I love all their stuff. So big shout out again to Halara for partnering with me on today's video. And don't forget to use code Kelly's Life, and that will save you 20% off of their full price items. I'll have all the details, my sizing, and all that in the description box down below. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.